Now take the next question. If root 3 plus I by root 3 minus I whole power 4 plus root 3 minus I by root 3 plus I whole power 4 is equal to r cis theta, then one of the values of root over r cis theta is. Four options are given to you. So let's see how to start. So first, what is given to us? The given expression, I am writing it down. Root 3 plus I by root 3 minus I whole power 4 plus root 3 minus I by root 3 plus I whole power 4 is equal to r cis theta. Now we need to take LCM, so we cross multiply. So we will get root 3 plus I whole power. 4 plus 4 will become 8. And over here also root 3 minus I whole power 8 by root 3 minus I into root 3 plus I whole power 4 is equal to r cis theta. So we know that root 3 plus I can be written as 2 cis pi by 6 whole power 8 plus root 3 minus I we can write 2 cis minus pi by 6 whole power 8 by denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So that is 3 minus I square, which is equal to 4 square, that is equal to 2 power 8 equals to r cis theta. So if you solve this further, you will get cis. If we apply De Moivre's theorem, we will get cis 8 pi by 6 plus 6 cis minus 8 pi by 6 equals to r cis theta. Now let us open this cis as cos plus I sine. So that is cos 8 pi by 6 plus I sine 8 pi by 6 plus cos minus 8 pi by 6 plus I sine minus 8 pi by 6 is equal to r cis theta. So this will give you, see, cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this plus this will give you 2 cos 8 pi by 6. And this will become positive and negative. So it will get cancelled because sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So that is equal to r cis theta. So 2 into what is this? 2 3s are 2 4s are. What is 4 pi by 3? Pi by 3 is 60. 60 into 4 is 240. What is cos 240? Cos 240 is minus 1 by 2, which is equal to r cis theta. Now 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 is equal to r cis theta. So we can write it as if you want. But in the question they are asking you root over r cis theta. So that is plus or minus root over minus 1 is equal to root over r cis theta. So root over r cis theta is equal to plus or minus I, because square root of minus 1 is nothing but iota I. So we can say root over r cis theta is equal to either cis pi by 2 or cis 3 pi by 2. Cis pi by 2 is plus I, cis 3 pi by 2 is minus I. So which option is correct? It is option B, cis 3 pi by 2. Now take the next question. One of the values of root 3 minus I whole power 2 by 5 is, four options are given to us. So first let us take root 3 minus I whole power 2 by 5. So that is multiplying and dividing by 2. So you will get 2 into root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 2 by 5. So that becomes 2 power 2 by 5 into, now root 3 by 2 we can write cos of minus pi by 6 plus I into minus 1 by 2 can be written as sine of minus pi by 6 whole power 2 by 5. So that will become 2 power 2 by 5 into, now cos minus pi by 6 we can write cos of minus pi by 6 plus 6 pi plus I into I sine minus pi by 6 plus 6 pi. So we are adding 6 pi with the angle whole power 2 by 5. So that will become 2 power 2 by 5 into, if you solve that, it will become cos 35 pi by 6 plus I sine 35 pi by 6 whole power 2 by 5. So that is 2 power 2 by 5 into cos 35 pi by 6. Now we are applying De Moivre's theorem. So the angle will be multiplied with 2 by 5 plus I sine 35 pi by 6 into 2 by 5. So that is 2 power 2 by 5 into, if you cancel this 5 ones are 5 sevens are 2 ones are 2 threes are here also. 2 ones are 2 threes are 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So that is cos 7 pi by 3 plus I sine 7 pi by 3. So that is 2 power 2 by 5 into, now cos 7 pi by 3 can also be written as cos pi by 3 plus I sine pi by 3. So that is 2 power 2 by 5 into cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So that becomes 2 power 2 by 5 into 1 plus root 3I by 2. So that is 2 power 2 by 5 minus 1 into 1 plus root 3I. So that is 2 power minus 3 by 5 into 1 plus root 3I. That is option D. Now take the next question. If I is equal to root over minus 1, then argument of 1 plus I whole power 2025 by 1 minus I whole power 2022 is equal to how much? Four options are given to us. So first let us take the given expression as Z. So Z we will take it as 1 plus I whole power 2025 by 1 minus I whole power 2022. So that this we can split it as 1 plus I whole power 2022 into 1 plus I whole cube by 1 minus I whole power 2022. So that is equal to 1 plus I. Again we can write it as whole square into 1011 into 1 plus I whole cube by denominator also the same way. 1 minus I whole square into 1011. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2I. Like here we are expanding a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab whole power 1011 by here also 1 minus 1 minus 2I whole power 1011 into 1 plus I whole cube. So this is nothing but 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 minus 1 cancel. So that is 2I by minus 2I whole power 1011 into 1 plus I whole cube. Now 2I get cancelled. Minus 1 whole power 1011 is minus because this is an odd number. So minus into 1 plus I whole cube we can write whole square into 1 plus I. So that is equal to minus. Now we will open the bracket, like we'll expand it a plus b whole square. a square plus b square plus 2ab into 1 plus I. Now I square is minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So that is minus 2I into 1 plus I. So that is minus 2 minus 2I square. That is minus 2 plus 2. Oh, this is minus 2I. This is minus 2I. So this is equal to minus 2I plus 2. Or you can write this as 2 minus 2I. Now we need to find the argument. So as I told you, we need to find out the argument. So we know that argument z is equal to argument x plus iy. So the formula for argument is tan inverse y by x. So argument z is equal to argument of 1 plus I whole power 2025 by 1 minus I whole power 2022. So that is equal to argument 2 minus 2y. So that is equal to tan inverse. What is y here? Y is minus 2. By x is 2. So that is tan inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 4. That is option A. Take the next question. If xn is equal to cos pi by 2 power n plus I sin pi by 2 power n, then pi n is equal to 1 to infinity, xn is equal to. So let's see how to do this. So what is given to us? Xn is equal to cos pi by 2 power n plus I sin pi by 2 power n. So pi n is equal to 1 to infinity, xn means we want x1 into x2 into x3 so on. So first if you put n is equal to 1, you will get cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Then if you take n is equal to 2, you will get cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Then cos pi by 8 plus I sin pi by 8 and so on. So that is cos. If we multiply all cos together, we will get pi by 2 plus pi by 4 plus pi by 8 plus so on. Plus I sin the same way. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4 plus pi by 8 plus so on. So if we take cos pi by 2 common from each bracket, we will get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus so on. Here also if we take pi by 2 common, we will get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So the bracket which is obtained, you can see that it is in GP. So in GP, what is sum to n terms? Sum to n terms is A by 1 minus R. Or you can take sum to infinite terms. S infinity is A by 1 minus R. So that is cos pi by 2 into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So if you simplify this, you will get cos pi plus I sin pi. We know that cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. So the answer is minus 1. Option C is the correct answer. Now take this question. If x is equal to a plus b, y is equal to a alpha plus b beta and z equals to a beta plus b alpha, and alpha and beta are the complex cube roots of unity, then we need to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So now let us say alpha is omega and beta is omega square because it is given alpha and beta are complex cube roots of unity. We know that cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square. So that's why we are taking alpha as omega and beta as omega square. Now we know that a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega. There is a question in IP that proves that this is equal to a cube plus b cube. So we can use this statement as a conclusion. Okay. So now we can take this value as a cube plus b cube. Now check x plus y plus z. That is a plus b plus a alpha plus b beta plus a beta plus b alpha. So if you take a common, we get 1 plus alpha plus beta. And if you take b common, 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now that is equal to 0. Why? Since 1 plus omega square is 0. So here omega is alpha, omega square is beta. So we have 1 plus omega square, that becomes 0. So we have a statement, we have a formula like if x plus y plus z is 0, then in algebra we have a formula. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, so that is equal to 3 into, but we know xyz is a cube plus b cube. So the correct answer for this is option B.